Weight Loss PLR. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. Weight Loss PLR, 10 Weight Loss Secrets for Busy People is an up-to-date, well-researched, and well-made evergreen guide in written, video and audio forms that your PLR list will surely love. The production team consists of actual published authors, and the design, plus installation, is done by the proven and tested Pixabuild team, who's the go-to team of a lot of product launchers who make 5 to 6-figure launches. Inside, you'll find chapters on Chapter 1, Why Lose Weight in the First Place. Chapter 2, Why Are You Not Losing Weight? Chapter 3, When Losing Weight Becomes Unhealthy. Chapter 4, A Realistic Game Plan. Chapter 5, Hypertruth, a closer look at popular health products. Chapter 6, Shed Fat Slowly but Surely. Chapter 7, Intense Flexibility or Cardio Workout, choose what suits your lifestyle. Chapter 8, Simple yet Effective Exercises. Chapter 9, Morning Light and Weight Loss. Chapter 10, Lifestyle, Brain Rewiring and Weight Loss. And so much more. The package comes with everything your user needs in order to start an information product, from the product to marketing materials, front-end, training videos, high-quality guides, cheat sheet, Mindmap, resource report, giveaway report, 3 printable checklists, 5 eCovers, 4 infographics, 10 social media posters, PowerPoint presentation slides, voiceover audios, articles, royalty-free images, license pack, Auto 1, sales page, sales copy, sales video, video sales letter script, graphics, squeeze page, follow-up emails, product banners, promotional emails, license pack, Auto 2, DFY setup, plus bonus training videos about traffic, specify name Justin. Auto 3. Customers are given a choice to select 1, 2, or 3 DFY businesses with technical installation. This way, they technically are only paying for a portion of the installation and are getting the PLR product, DFY business, for free. 1 package, $97 save $44. 2 packages, $167 save $115. 3 packages, $247 save $176. Downsell 3. Customers get the product PLR package only. 1 package, $37, save $7. 2 packages, $69 save $19. 3 packages, $97 save $35. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.